Good afternoon. We all know him in the name of Augusto C. Matias, and also Tito or Mati. Uncle Tito liked to make his friends and the students, schoolmates, laugh. He enjoyed his work in the classroom and also in the garden. Oftentimes, he always asked me to accompany him to wherever he wants to go. He said, when his sister passed away several years ago, dati si Tita Peggy ang lagi mong kasama. Ngayon wala na siya. Ako muna ang samahan mo. And I did. Isa siyang mabuting pinigil. Mabait na kapatid. At napakabuting kaibigan. I had a lot of best friends, but he was my first. After Tito, no one will forget a good, kind heart like yours. And your family loves you so much. It we're devastated that you left. You will always be remembered with fond memories and pride for his good deeds and love for us. So, may I ask you to join us in asking God to bless Uncle Tito's soul for eternal peace and joy. I know may pamahiin po tayo na bawal magpasalamat pag namatayan. But I will say it anyway. Thank you sa mga sumuporta, umunawa, sa mga taong nandito ngayon. That is not the end of you, my dear uncle. It's only a mere beginning, a journey, your journey to God, in God's arms. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.